So this equation comes from the last example. Y equals negative 1/4 x plus 6 1/4, where the x is the number of hours the candle is burning and y is the height of the candle in inches. How could we tell with that equation how tall the candle would be after 2 hours? Plug in, okay, Isaiah says plug in 2 for x. That means plug in the 2 here, right? So y equals negative 1/4 times 2 plus 6 1/4, which is negative 1/2 plus 6 1/4, which is 5 3/4. Okay, how could we tell when means we need to know x now, when will the candle be 4 inches tall? Enrique? What's that? Yeah, so this time we want to plug in the 4, right, goes in for y. So we'll say 4 equals negative 1/4 x plus 6 1/4. Solve. What would you do first? How about, this is a 4. It may not look like it, but that's a 4. How about we'll subtract 6 1/4 from both sides? Okay, what is 4 minus 6 1/4? How about negative 2 1/4? And then last step, divide by or multiply by negative 4, right? So you want to multiply by the reciprocal of this. How about if, before I do that, I'm going to write this as 4 times 2 is 8, 9, negative 9/4. Negative 9/4 equals negative 1/4 x. And then I'm going to multiply both sides by negative 4. So the negative 4 times negative 9/4 is 9. Negative 4 times negative 1/4 is 1, so that's 1x. So how many hours will it take for the candle to burn down to 4 inches? 9 hours. How many hours would it take? How many hours would it take for this thing to burn the candle down to nothing? 25, right? Because this is 25/4. 4 times 6, 24, 25/4. So if x was 25, then this would be negative 25/4. So what if you said, how tall is the candle, and you let x be more than 25? Like, how tall will the candle be when x is 30? It wouldn't make any physical sense to ask that question, because then it'd be like you have a negative candle height. So in real world problems, you have to consider something like that. That wasn't an issue for either one of these here.